guys, so mao na to guys no, nadatan dire guys, so mao na tong sakyan guys, Philippine Airlines. Ano dire guys. So supposedly guys no, mao to kuan problema last Tuesday nag-cancel atong flight from Sydney to Melbourne. Itong flight punta na to Tuesday is Melbourne to Philippines. Basta cancel guys. Mga itong nasasakyan pero Philippine Airlines. So naging salamat din sa Philippine Airlines. Pag-accommodate na to ay na-rebook na itong ticket. Itabangan na nila guys. Naging salamat Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. See you guys. What Uncle said, Barry, this is the king. Let's go!
Sahur, sahur, sahur.